Hi, Carol here, stopping by my YouTube channel. I just got my GDI check in the mail here, and I just wanted to go over something that could help your GDI or your Global Domains International. It's this funnel right here that you see. It's called the Multiple Income Funnel. It has 4 income streams in it, and 2 of them you can set up whatever you want. One could be Global Domains International. The second one, whatever you want, you know. The first income stream is the funnel. Okay, $50 a month is all that it is, and you earn $20 commissions from everyone that joins you with the funnel. And the fourth income stream is something that everybody needs. It's traffic, and it's a very good converting traffic source. So this makes this viral. It's what they call a funded proposal, because when somebody comes in and before they even see your GDI or whatever it is you're promoting, they have to pay to be able to get in and use the funnel. Okay, so you're getting commissions from that, which you can use to your advertising, and then when they come in, that's when they see your income streams. You know, the first one is the funnel, which pays you commissions to put towards your advertising, and then you have your second income stream and third income stream, and then the fourth income stream is traffic, something they need. We even have a bonus income stream, which is more traffic that really converts well with this funnel. Okay, this funnel is a very good high converting funnel, so I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited that now Mac Mills is the one that created this, and it's just better than I could have hoped. It's the best funnel that I've ever used, and I've used a few of them over the years, so I really like this. Okay, and I'm 16 people, and I've been in it for, was it 40 days? I think it's about that, 41, 42 days, right around there. Anyways, it's been really good to me. It's got 4 income streams, like I've said. It's very simple to set up. You just simply follow. The computer's not wanting to cooperate. You just simply follow the step 1, step 2, and step 4. And here it is. Step 1, step 2. Step 1 is you already did step 1, set up the funnel. Step 2 is you set up your income streams. Step 3 is an e-wallet. But now that's how they pay us, is through e-wallet. You just set that up. You use your ID, whatever ID you use for your country. I used a driver's license. You can just take a picture with your phone or your laptop, and it's very easy to set up. And then step 4 is a back training link. Okay, so this is a great system to use to grow Global Domains International, and especially if you've struggled to make income with it, this will help supplement the income, and it'll help supplement the income so that you can do more advertising to help you grow your GDI. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. I just wanted to drop this little video. If you have any questions, just post them below. If you have any experience with this, then post that below too. And then you'll be getting checks too, and they'll get bigger over time. Okay, thank you and God bless. And if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. I do appreciate it.